Hey guys, it's Axel today, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a Bukkit server for Minecraft. As you can see here, I already have the start.bat and the craft Bukkit 1.2.5 4.0. These are the latest versions that you need. There will be a link to this in the description to download it from Dropbox. It will take you through an ad. Just press skip ad in the top right corner and it'll start the download automatically. Now I'm going to show you every simple basics, everything you need to know, everything you need to do. Now, to get this Craft Bukkit 1.2.5 or 4.0, you just need to go to your internet browser and go to bukkit.org. There will be a link to this in the description also, and simple, just press it. Now, when you're here, it'll take you to a page like this, and right here on the right, the top right, it'll say recommended builds. These are every build that you might need to use Bukkit. So the latest one is the one on top, definitely. So just go ahead and press it. It'll open a different page telling you what it is, and you just press download Craft Bukkit. Now this will take up to 5 minutes. For me it did. I don't know about anybody else, but it did for me. Now this is what you want to do. You want to right click on your desktop, go to new folder, and name the folder. I'm gonna name it Minecraft server. Okay, now drag Craft Bukkit in there and start.bat. Now when you're in there, simply right click on Craft Bukkit, press rename, and get rid of everything but Craft Bukkit and type .jar. Okay, so now we have Craft Bukkit.jar and start.bat. Go ahead and press start.bat. Okay, never mind. Press Craft Bukkit first. It'll open a whole bunch of random stuff. Pretty much what it's doing is it's setting all your preferences, like plugins, stuff like that for the server. Nothing will pop up, but it will create all this. Now that it's popped up, you can see everything's pretty much loaded. World nether, world the end, band IPs, all that. Now, this is going to be the hard part for some people. You want to press Control Alt Delete, and it'll bring up your security stuff. Start the task manager, go to services, click 1, and type J. Press the letter J. I'm sorry, it's not in there. It's in processes. And as you can see, it says Java W. Right click, in process, and then close that. Now we have all this ready, and your Craft Bukkit has been closed. You never press that again. You just have to leave it in there. Now press start.bat. Okay, I've done it again. Craft Bukkit jar. Let's see what's different. Okay, sorry about this, guys. Gotta rename it again. I think I done something wrong. See if now it does it. Well, apparently I've done something wrong here. Sorry about this, guys. Let me just go ahead and pause it and I'll figure out what I've done. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let me just make sure I'm recording. I am recording. Okay, so I figured out what it was. What I had set, see, I use a different computer to run my servers on instead of this laptop, and it was set the RAM to high. So now you just press start.bat or start, and it'll start to load everything. It'll tell you the port that it's running on. This is the port that it's on. You can easily change that in the system properties. I'll show you in just a second. It tells you what version you're running. If the version is out of date, it will tell you in this, either right there, or it'll tell you whenever it's done loading. Right now it's just loading your world. It'll do this once, and should only once unless you change something. Now as you can see, it says it's done. Almost, sorry about that. It's actually doing the nether, I think, now, and then it'll do the end. So I'm just gonna let it finish real fast. Okay, so while it's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the server properties. What you just want to do is you want to right click and press open. Select program installed, notepad. Okay, so in here you have all your system preferences, of course, your port. The server IP always stays blank. Never put an IP in it. Not even, don't put that 192.168.1.1 or 0.1. Do not ever put that. That's your router IP that does not go there. I will show you what to do with that near the end. Now, pretty much you can do the max players. Just leave it at 20 unless you have a really good PC that has like 18 gigs of RAM, 8 gigs of RAM, something like that. Over 6 gigs of RAM, you can change it. If you want people to be able to join the server that don't have a Minecraft account, that don't pay for Minecraft, change this to false and press save. Control save or save. Okay, it's being used in another process, of course. But anyways, the only reason it's being used in another process is because the server. And another thing, whenever you stop the server, always type stop. Never press the X. Never. Because it doesn't save your settings. Now what this is doing, it's saving the chunks, and I just press the key. Okay, so now, save. Okay, so your settings are saved. Let's just go ahead and close it. Now, your server is up. You know, you have everything good and ready. Now, say you want a proof server, okay? So you have no plugins. What you want to do is you want to go back up to your internet browser, go back to bukkit.org, simple, and go to get plugins. It's as simple as that. Now here you'll find a whole bunch of plugins. As you can see right here, it says 125.4.0. Now what that is that's the version that you just downloaded. Pretty much, yeah, like I just said, it's what you just downloaded to run your server on. Now, actually, this is a new plugin. I'm actually just going to favorite this because I'll end up losing it later like I always do. It's pretty much using Ender Chess. And yeah, so I'll show you, I'll run you through the quick installation on how to do it. You just press it. Now, some will do download right here. Don't press that. Press Bukkit Dev. If it says it, it will say it. So to bring you to a page like this, press download in the top right corner. And then, as you can see right here, it says the version 125.4.0, and you just press download again. It'll start downloading, and then I'll just run you through it real fast. Okay, so there it is. It's in a WinRAR file. I do not know why. Open the WinRAR. They usually won't be like this. It'll usually just be a Java file like this. Link chess. You drag it into the plugins, go back, and then you start the server. Now what it'll do is it'll actually run everything. As you can see, it's actually starting up a lot faster now. As you can see, it says link chest right there, messages, config language not found, using default, not found, using default. Okay, so configuration permissions not found, using default. Okay, so as you can see, it's done loading now. I'm going to go ahead and close the server because I don't feel like pressing stop. I don't know what this resources is. This will usually not be in a normal, you know, Minecraft. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that out. Simple as that. Okay, so now what you want to do is a simple website you want to go to is to find your IP is you just head over to Google. I'll actually put a link to this in the description, and it'll take you to this website, and this is your IP to get on your server. You type this in on Minecraft every time, it'll get you onto the server. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that, and let's go ahead and close everything out. I'm going to go ahead and start the server. And while that's starting, I'm also going to open Minecraft. Now my computer will be pretty slow, I'll have to admit that. Mainly because I'm going to be trying to run Minecraft in the background while recording, while running a server. So that's going to take up a lot of RAM, guys. And by the way, if you're planning on... crap, I didn't mean to press that. If you're planning on running a server on the same PC that you're going to be, you know, playing on, that's not a very good idea. That's a horrible idea. Yeah, that's pretty much a horrible idea. So pretty much you just want to put in the, I don't even remember it now. Let me just open Notepad and paste. You want to have 2 computers at least, or a really, really, really good computer. I can't stress that enough. People just play it on the same computer, And actually, if mine does it, I'll show you what it does. This isn't a very good laptop, but it's good enough. I mean, yeah. Okay, so can't reach server. I'm gonna go ahead and press it anyways. I'm not port forward, or well, I might can do localhost. I've got to tell you the truth, guys. I've never done it like this before. Let me see if I can do it through my router IP. No, I can't. But guys, I promise you it's working. I'll go ahead and open my other server so I can show you that it works fine through another computer. Okay guys, so here we are back. I just opened my other server up, as you can see. It is whitelisted at the moment, so you can't get on it. As you can see, the server works fine because I have port forwarded it on a different router in a different location. Because my computer is so, because the other computer is so good, there is no lag at all. And if any lag is caused, it's because of this computer. Now, actually, this computer is running pretty well, better than it usually does, and I don't understand why. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I will have actually a link down in the description that shows you how to port forward your Minecraft server, depending on the router. If it doesn't work, please do not start writing me saying it's not working or something like that. I mean, if this video doesn't help you at all, you can write me. But if it does help you, please do not stress about it. I mean, there's other videos out there. Please do not complain to me about it. Guys, thank you for watching. Rate, subscribe, and comment. Make sure people know about this video. It's good. Thanks for watching. See ya.